I have a super exciting upgrade that I have bought for the channel that I want to show you. I have bought the lamp that every big YouTuber has. It's the Aputure 120d, which is equipped with a dome that makes the light very, very soft. So this is basically a huge softbox with 120 centimeters in diameter. And the reason why I bought this is because soft lighting is so important when you are recording video. Especially I want to up my B-roll game at some point where I want to provide some of these really nice introductions to the videos. And to be able to do that, you need something like this, or at least you need light that is diffused. So if I pick the light source like this, you can see this is focused around a single point. This is giving very sharp shadows on whatever that you're filming. So instead of having a single source like this, you want a nice wide surface like this where the light is evenly distributed. So I kind of showed this in one of the stories on the channel, and one of you asked if I could shoot a video to show what this light setup is all about. And this setup is around maybe $1,000 to $1,200 US to get something like that. But it's also state of the art, so you won't get light and light quality that's much better than this. So let's take a closer look what it's all about. So this is the Light Dome II. It's a 120 centimeter diameter dome, and it's right now equipped with this grid that will help reduce the light spill for the sides. And it has this soft cloth on the inside, make sure to offer a really nice diffusion of the light. And everything is just attached here with Velcro to the edge of the dome. It's very easy to mount this grid onto the dome. The light source is the Aputure 120d, and as you can see, this is the Model 2 of the Light Dome. And this makes the dome significantly easier to wrap up once you are done shooting. I'll just show you in the end of this video. And below the light source we have this control box, and apart from you can turn on and off the light, you can also control the brightness of the light. There's some buttons here below the display that will allow you to do some customization of the light. And everything here is mounted on a C-stand, and that's really worth the investment because you don't want a light like this sitting on a foundation that is too rocky. You want to make sure that it's nicely and securely positioned. The light source comes in this really nice bag where everything is tucked in very nicely. There's also a deflector like this that will allow you to use the light source without the dome if you want the light to go to a specific location. There's some instructions, there's a remote control. So this is more or less everything that's inside the bag. And the dome can be very easily wrapped in this case. You can't really control the temperature of this kind of light. It's not designed for that. But inside the dome, if we just take a small sneak peek here, you can see there's this piece of cloth that is put in front of the light source. And on that one, you can strap a piece of gel that will allow you to change the temperature of the light. So do you need this kind of light when you're recording your own videos? No, not at all. I've just been wanting this type of softbox and light for a really long time. And with all the videos that I'm putting out, I'm always looking for ways to improve my production value. And I hope this will contribute to that part. And as I said, C-stand, light source, light dome, everything is around $1,000 to $1,200 US. I will put links in the description below in case you want to go and check it out yourself. Maybe it's possible through Amazon to pick up a nice deal for this setup. What I really like about it is that it's super compact, very easy to take down, and store it in these nice bags that are designed for the purpose. And in case that you're wondering what the boost is doing over there in this box, it's because we are doing some remodeling of the house, and the cupboard where these are normally stored is taken down temporarily. So we had to put them in this moving box over there. And with that out of the way, I'll just show you how easy it is to dismount the light dome from the current stand. So basically what we need to do is we need to pull this lever back, and then we need to turn the dome, and then we can take it off. So I can lift the Velcro off like that so I have a better grip in the dome. And then I grab it like this, and then I pull back this lever, and then I just turn it so I can take it out. We simply just take these small yeah, what are they called? Contacts or whatever. I don't know what they're called. And if we press those, all of them, and just lift them a little bit, then it's easier. Ooh. Like this. So it's very easy once you get the hang of it. As you can see, there's no need for taking off the grip in the front. It just hangs like this. You can tuck it in like that. So this is the actual light source, and that's this nice protector that can be put on top of it, and this screw here on the side that can be loosened like that before we tuck it away into this bag. Closed like this. So this is the light kit, dome and aperture light. So what do you think about these kind of videos? Something different than just drones, which I'm thinking about doing more of here on the channel. It is a technology channel, so we might expand it with some of the other interesting stuff that I'm messing around with. So what do you think about that? Let me know in the comments. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you around.